My favorite thing to do before a flight with my picky client is prep her snacks. So here are the snacks that I prepped for our flight. First, I prepped her some cheese. This is her favorite, and I just cut them into cute flowers. I also gave her some chili lime chips and some strawberry fruit tape. I also gave her some Lesser Evil popcorn, and to end it off, I gave her these little Smart Sweets mini fish, and she loves it. And that is all the snacks that I packed for her in this container, which I love for her because it keeps her entertained. Whenever we travel, I will always bring a water bottle for my client, and plane days are no exception. So this is the water bottle that I brought for her. We just brought it in empty, and then once we got through TSA, we filled it with some water and ice. And that is everything that I prepped for our flight day. My client was absolutely thrilled with her snacks.